Imagine this. You're reading your favorite book, and suddenly the lights go out forever. Sounds terrifying, right? But here's the twist. You can still read, not with your eyes, but with your fingertips.
That's possible thanks to Braille, a writing system designed for the visually impaired. It was created by Louis Braille, a French kid who went blind at age 3, and instead of giving up, he decided, fine, if I can't see words, I'll touch them. Braille works with a simple building block, the Braille cell, a tiny 2x3 grid of dots. Each dot can either be raised or left flat. That gives us 64 unique patterns, enough to represent letters, numbers, punctuation, and even whole words. Here's the clever part. The alphabet isn't random. The first 10 letters, A through J, are just different combos of the top 2 rows of dots. For the next set, K through T, you take the same shapes but add an extra dot on the bottom left. And for U through Z, you raise the whole bottom row. It's like stacking Lego pieces. Once you know the base, the rest are variations. Well, except for the letter W. That one doesn't fit the pattern because in the 1800s French, W wasn't really a thing. Numbers? Same patterns as A through J. Capitals? Add a capital mark. Punctuation, there's Braille for commas, periods, question marks, you name it. So in just 6 dots, you can write entire books, math equations, or even music. And the coolest part, people don't just read Braille, many write it too.